guys, this is Lipay Tudi and we will share our learnings from PE namin.
A-do-ba-do-ba-do, a-do-ba-do-ba-do-do-do. A-do-ba-do-ba-do, a-do-ba-do-ba-do-ba-do-ba-do.
Sana magkamag sa pamilya.
Ay, 20 pa lang, babe.
Tumaas. Second round.
Second round. Extreme ba dyan?
Alam, mas madali siya pag ganito dyan.
Diba?
Utak namin di Visoria, yung sa'yo talipapa. Sobrang daming sinasabi pero kulang sa gawa. Yung gabi tsaka umaga parehas ginampanan. Malayang kumikilos, walang boss na dadagan. Yung aking katamaran, hinold up tsaka ni-raid. Salamat sa sarili, siya na natili na made. O sanay sa maduduga, scammers mga dealers. Kami ay kumikilos kaya pwedeng maging winners. O yung
This school year, I delved into the basics and beyond of both volleyball and badminton, discovering a newfound interest in sports I hadn't initially been drawn to. Through the guidance and support of our professors, Sir Bobby, I learned essential skills such as serving, passing, and spiking in volleyball, as well as proper gripping, serving, and rallying techniques in badminton. Despite the challenges of not being able to participate in these activities face-to-face, Sir Bobby's education shone through his detailed instructions and the helpful videos he provided, making the learning process engaging and effective. Thanks to his efforts, I not only gained practical knowledge but also developed an enthusiasm for continuing to improve in these sports. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Sir Bobby for his unwavering support and commitment to our learning journey.
The lesson I learned in these finals is about badminton. There are 3 lessons that I learned from playing badminton. Number 1, training at home. To train badminton, pwede mo gawin ito mag-isa by using rubber string pag walang magbabato ng shuttlecock. Pero ang ginawa ko dito, tinawagan ko ang kaibigan ko para matulungan ako. Number 2, drills. Sa una medyo nahihirapan ako sa paglaro ng badminton, pero habang tumatagal, na-enjoy ko rin ang paglalaro nito. And nagpatulong din ako sa pinsan ko, pati na rin sa kapatid ng tropa ko. Yung kapatid ng tropa ko is siya naman ang nag-video sa amin ng pinsan ko habang naglalaro kami. And here's the video while we were playing badminton. Number 3, footwork. Medyo nahihirapan ako dito kasi wala akong shuttlecock na pwedeng maitumba, pero nagawan ko pa rin ng para.
I'm Vanessa Silastimosa from BPA 2D. Ang natutunan ko po sa Public Administration Fact Fit 4 po is paano maglaro ng volleyball and badminton. Dito rin po is tinakil po about sa mga history kung saan po magaling yung mga rules po bago po tayo maglaro ng volleyball. And kung paano po ito gamitin ng tama na sumusunod po tayo sa rules ng isang laro po. Ang message ko po kay Sir is maraming salamat po sa pagtuturo po sa amin, lalo na po sa paglaro ng volleyball and badminton. Sa mga rules po, and then sana po is madami pa siyang maturuan ng mga estudyante na tulad po namin. And then sana po binigyan kami ng pagkakataon para makapaglaro kasama ng aming mga kaklase.
I'm John Christian Quintapolas and I'm from BPA 2D. And I want to share my knowledge at sa natutunan ko kay Sir Bobby and sa Pathfit 4 namin. Ang natutunan ko po sa Pathfit 4 is maging precisely kumilos and maging coordinated yung katawan sa paglaro ng mga sports na to. Halimbawa ng volleyball, dapat hindi ka pa dalos-dalos and dapat nagpo-practice ka, nag-warm up pa, naglalaro, and dapat nagkakaroon ka ng exercise na alam mong sakto para sa volleyball, and magkaroon ng focus lalo sa paglalaro ng badminton dahil medyo mahirap tamaan yung shuttlecock kung newbie ka and kung magaling yung kalaban mo. And ang message ko kay Sir Bobby, sana marami pa kayo maturo ang mga estudyante ng City College and sana maging magaling pa kayo, mas gumaling pa kayo sa pagtuturo nyo. And yun lang po.
Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Vergara, BPA 2D, Arangkada City Collegian. So, ang natutunan ko po sa aming PE is kung paano laruin yung volleyball and kung saan ko yung nagsimula. So, marami po ako natutunan about dito and na pwede ko pong mabahagi sa iba. So, ang message ko sir is maraming salamat sa dagdag knowledge na binigay niya sa amin na pwede kong magamit in the future sa paglalaro ng volleyball. Yun lamang po. Thank you.
Good day po, I'm Icopiel Cruz from BPA 2D. Ang natutunan ko po sa subject na PE ay ang sports na volleyball at badminton. Marami po akong bagong natutunan sa mga larong ito, kagaya po ng mga basic skills, mga rules, at maging yung mga history po kung saan nanggaling itong mga larong ito. Ang masasabi ko po kay Sir ay marami pong salamat sa tinuro niyo sa amin at marami kaming natutunan na mga rules and regulation po sa mga sports na ito. Yun lamang po.
Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Mbabena from BPA 2D. Ang natutunan ko po sa PE ay kung paano mag-volleyball and kung paano mag-badminton. Kung paano mag-positioning ng paa, kung paano po yung scoring. Yun po, maraming salamat. God bless.
Ay ako si Ian Benedict Jacinto. Ang natutunan ko sa Pathfit 4 kahit di ako pumapasok is yung mga physical activities. Nakakatulong to sa atin para makiiwas sa mga sakit tulad ng cancer at cardiovascular disease. Makakatulong to para umano ang buhay natin. Yun lang.
Hi everyone, I'm Jerry Simons and in this video, I will tell you kung ano yung mga natutunan ko sa physical education or PATFIT. So first, syempre sa volleyball, natutunan ko yung mga kahalagahan ng teamwork at komunikasyon sa pagtugon sa mga sitwasyon sa game. Next is, natutunan ko kung ano yung tamang pagtalon at pagland para maiwasan yung mga injuries at mapanatili ang momentum sa game. Syempre, yung mga rules and regulations din na dapat gawin at hindi dapat gawin sa loob ng game. Next is badminton. Natutunan ko yung mga tamang techniques at paggalaw sa pagtama sa shuttlecock upang mapanatili yung pagkontrol sa presyon sa game. Next is, syempre yung footwork sa badminton. Natutunan ko kung ano yung mga kalagaan nito, ang pagiging mabilis at maayos sa paggalaw sa court upang makaiwas sa mga tira ng kalaban at magkaroon din ng magandang position sa game. And syempre, yung natutunan ko pa sa badminton is yung pagiging alerto at mabilis sa pagresponde sa galaw ng kalaban upang magawa yung mga tamang hakbang at pagtama sa shuttlecock. And syempre, yung mga rules and regulations din ito na dapat gawin din sa loob ng court.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Prof. Bobby, dahil may mga natutunan kami sa pagbabalibol. Pagbabadminton, may mga bagay kaming mga natutunan pa. Na nagbibideo kami, gumagawa ng mga steps. Kaya minsan po napapaisip rin kami kung dito sa course namin sa pagiging public administration kung magagamit ba namin itong PE. Pero in the near future, syempre alam din natin na magagamit rin namin to as pwede rin naming hobby. Yan po, maraming salamat, Prof.
So yun po, mga natutunan ko po ngayong PATFIT 4 is yung basketball, volleyball, then badminton. First po sa basketball, though hindi natin nalaro siya ng physically or hindi natin siya naaral ng face to face, is naging knowledgeable naman po kami sa mga calls, basic skills, and then court dimensions din po. Sa volleyball, ganun din po, 6 basic skills, history of volleyball, court dimension po, and then sa badminton naman, yung mga basic drills, backhand and forehand shots. And message ko po Sir Bobby's thank you po sa pagtuturo, and sana po kung pwedeng ulitin lahat is magawa po natin ang personal F2F mga laro po natin. Yan lang po.
Hi, I'm Angela May Monte of BPA 2D, and isa po sa natutunan ko sa subject na PE is about the badminton court size, which is for a single game is a 44 feet long by 17 feet wide. And for the double match naman po ay 44 long by 20 feet wide. And also, the height po ng net is 5 feet.
Hi, my name is Eloisa Hina from BPA 2D, and I would like to tell you what I learned in this course. The 5 basic badminton skills, the techniques, and the equipments. And my message to Sir Bobby, thank you for making this class interesting and interactive.
Hi, this is Anna May Balbuena from BPA 2D, and I am here to tell you guys what are my key takeaway for the course Physical Education with the topic badminton. So in studying badminton, I learned a lot about this strategy to play and techniques on how to be better on playing badminton. And now I know the equipments needed with this kind of sports, like the types of shuttlecocks and raqueta. So that's all.
Hello guys, from what I've learned on badminton is kailangan mo malaman yung importance ng agility and ng quick reflexes kasi 'di ba mabilis mag-travel yung shuttlecock papunta sa iyo. So kailangan mabilis mo siyang matira papunta sa kalaban. Secondly is yung strategic thinking. Kailangan marunong ka din mag-isip ng strategiya kung paano mo siya ipapalo papunta sa kalaban para hindi niya matira pabalik sa'yo. So, ikaw yung magkakaroon ng puntos. Additional lang, sa paglalaro kasi ng badminton, pwede ma-improve yung cardiovascular health mo, yung strength, and yung coordination mo. Additionally, badminton fosters discipline and practice since improving skill requires consistent efforts and training. And playing badminton provides a sense of enjoyment and stress relief, making it a beneficial activity for both mental and physical activity.
Hi everyone, I'm Elishina Susana of BPA2D, and I prepared a short message about the lesson I learned from this subject. So first, in my journey with badminton, I discovered the thrill of agility and precision. That every match is a test of my speed and accuracy, pushing me to react swiftly and hit the shuttlecock with finesse. But for me, it's not just about the physical skill. Strategy plays an important role too. It helps me to keep engaged and focused. Partnering up on the court has taught me the power of teamwork, where communication and coordination are key to success. And also for me, win or lose, the spirit of sportsmanship shines through, reminding me that it's not just about the outcome, but the joy of playing game. And to our Professor Bobby, um, your PE class has been more than just exercise. It has been an exciting journey of skill building and teamwork, even though we did not conduct face-to-face class often. I have still learned a lot from your subject.
Good day, Sir Bobby. My name is Josiah Andrew Hidalgo from BPA2D. What I learned from our subject Pathfit 4 is the positions, equipments, and the basic rules that is used in the sports, volleyball, and badminton, and its history and how it is introduced to Philippines. I have also learned to do stretchings and warm-up before playing the sport badminton and volleyball to be more efficient and good on it. That's all. My name is Josiah Andre B. Hidalgo from BPA2D, Arangkada City Collegians. Good day, Sir Bobby. My name is Josiah Andre B. Hidalgo from BPA2D. What I learned from our subject Pathfit 4 is the positions, equipments, and the basic rules that is used in the sports, volleyball, and badminton, and its history and how it is introduced to Philippines. I have also learned to do stretchings and warm-up before playing the sport badminton and volleyball to be more efficient and good on it. That's all. My name is
Good day everyone, my name is Geraldine Sitinaga. While doing all the activities in our subject in physical activities toward health and fitness or tinatawag nating PATFIT, which is the volleyball and badminton, it enhances my energy level and improves my overall performance in other sports and workouts. So yung volleyball is an excellent game hindi lang dahil meron itong holds possibilities of fun, of competition without undue stress, fatigue, and bodily contact, but also because it is so sociable, democratic, and sharing. My message to Prof. Bobby is, I hope next year magkaroon na ng more interaction with his students and of course stay healthy.
Hello everyone! I just wanted to share my thoughts and learnings with regards to volleyball and badminton and Pathfit. Those two sports are my favorite sports. I love watching volleyball and I am a big fan of that sport. And I like badminton because I personally think that that is the only sport that I can do. I've learned volleyball's history, rules, position, and etc. I also experienced playing badminton with my brother, and that proves me that doing warm-ups is a must because it might seem easy but it's not. My message to Sir Bobby is that I hope we had a few beautiful encounters during this semester. It would have been much more wonderful if we had a chance to play these sports with you and the whole class. By the way, congratulations to the Alas Pilipinas for recently winning the bronze medal at the 2024 ABC Challenge Cup Battle. Thank you very much from BPA2D, Arangkada City Collegian.
Everyone, my name is Benjamin Cia Presto from BPA2D, Arangkada City Collegian. Ang natutunan ko po sa PE namin ay kung paano mag-volleyball, kung paano mag-badminton. Yun lang po. Ang wishes ko po kay sir ay thank you sir sa pagtuturo sa amin dahil sa natuto mag-volleyball and mag-badminton. Yun lang po, thank you.
Ayan. So, isa sa natutunan ko sa larong volleyball is yung 6 basic drills nito. Meron tayong serving, passing, setting, blocking, digging, and spiking. And natutunan ko rin kung saan ba nag-originate yung larong volleyball, kung sino yung mga taong involved para magkaroon ng larong ito. Sa badminton naman, natutunan ko yung basic drills ng badminton. Ayan, nag-enjoy naman ako habang ginagawa ko yung basic drills nito. Thank you sa mga lessons na tinuro nyo sa amin. And siguro mas naging productive and interactive yung mga naging lessons kung nagkaroon kami ng interaction dun sa laro na tinuturo sa amin. And sa pagiging late, natutunan namin na hindi dapat inuugali yung pagiging late. Lalo na kung nagtatrabaho ka na sa isang company or isang industry. Yan lang po.
This school year, I have learned a variety of skills and concepts in physical education, focusing on the sports, on volleyball and badminton. We have learned the rules, regulations, communications, and teamwork. We have also improved our hand-eye coordination, footwork, and racket skills in badminton. We are able to learn from our video presentations on volleyball and badmintons, even if we are unable to interact face-to-face classes. This experience, we have not only improved our physical abilities, but also life skills like teamwork, sportsmanship, and perseverance. And my message to our prof, Sir Bobby, as we conclude this school year, I want to express my heartfelt appreciation for your guidance and mentorship. Your impact on our lives goes beyond the sports field, and we will carry the lessons you have taught us with us as we move forward. Sincerely yours, Angel Ortigo.
Guys, yung natutunan ko nga pala sa public ad na Patit 4, mag-volleyball po, tapos mag-badminton. Yung mga parts po ng court, yung mga kailangan sa volleyball, ayun po. Tapos yung mga drills po sa badminton.
Teamwork.
Yun lang. Guys, yung natutunan ko nga pala sa public ad na Patit 4, mag-volleyball po, tapos mag-badminton. Yung mga parts po ng court, yung mga kailangan sa volleyball, ayun po. Tapos yung mga drills po sa badminton. Yun lang. Guys, yung natutunan ko nga pala sa public ad na Patit 4, mag-volleyball po, tapos mag-badminton. Yung mga parts po ng court, yung mga kailangan sa volleyball, ayun po. Tapos yung mga drills po sa badminton. Yun lang. Guys, yung natutunan ko nga pala sa public ad na Patit 4, mag-volleyball po, tapos mag-badminton. Yung mga parts po ng court, yung mga kailangan sa volleyball, ayun. Yun, message ko kay sir, thank you sa pagtuturo sa amin. Ang dami namin natutunan. From volleyball to badminton, basketball, ayun. Mas lang sana kung nagkaroon tayo ng face-to-face na nagawa natin ng as a whole class. Nakapaglaro tayo as a whole class, yun lang. Thank you. Yun, message ko kay sir, thank you sa pagtuturo sa amin. Ang dami namin natutunan. From volleyball to badminton, basketball, ayun. Mas lang sana kung nagkaroon tayo ng face-to-face na nagawa natin ng as a whole class. Nakapaglaro tayo as a whole class, yun lang. Thank you. Yun, message ko kay sir, thank you sa pagtuturo sa amin. Ang dami namin natutunan. From volleyball to badminton, basketball, ayun. Mas lang sana kung nagkaroon tayo ng face-to-face na nagawa natin ng as a whole class. Nakapaglaro tayo as a whole class, yun lang. Thank you. Yun, message ko kay sir, thank you sa pagtuturo sa amin. Ang dami namin natutunan.
Hello everyone, my name is Michael Jr. M. Ambrosio from BPA 2D. I gained knowledge about volleyball and badminton skills in physical education. I also learned about the court's dimensions and its capabilities. I also learned how to defend against an opponent's attack, and how to play these sports well, I will use. Finally, I discovered that having a positive attitude is just as important as being skilled. My message to Prof. Bobby is thank you for teaching us and sharing your knowledge with us regarding volleyball and badminton. I hope you can continue to teach and share your expertise on volleyball and badminton. Please be careful at all times, and may God bless you.
Hello everyone, my name is Angelica T. Santos from BPA 2D. In volleyball, I learned the value of understanding game, techniques, equipment, and the laws that regulate the sport. Each factor adds to an uniform team effort and promotes fair play. Every detail matters, from learning how to properly set, spike, and block to understanding the need of correct footwear and apparel. Furthermore, understanding the regulations ensures that players act within the parameters of fair competition, fostering sportsmanship and respect between teammates and opponents alike. Moving on to badminton, our focus moved to making instructional videos for beginners. We understood the need of emphasizing essential skills and approaches, particularly for those who are new to the sport. Whether it's acquiring the proper grip, improving the serve, or understanding court positioning, creating a solid foundation is essential for players to advance and enjoy the game to its full potential. By simplifying down difficult movements into small steps, we hope to make badminton accessible and entertaining for everyone, instilling a passion of the sport from the outset.
Hi, I'm Helen J. Tapan from BPA 2D, and ito po yung video ko para ipaalam ang lahat na natutunan ko during Patriot 4, this final term. And ang natutunan ko po sa Patriot 4 is patungkol po sa volleyball and badminton. Natutunan ko po dito lahat ng footworks, stretching, and how to properly play it po. And also, ang masasabi ko po kay Prof. Bobby, maraming salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin ng lahat ng matututunan namin tungkol sa volleyball and badminton. And sana lang po nagkaroon tayo ng face-to-face activity para dyan sa dalawang activity na yan. Pero masaya pa din po ako na marami akong natutunan tungkol sa volleyball and badminton, and hopefully magamit ko po ito in the future times. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, this is Kennedy Red. I'm from BPA 2D, and one of the significant learning I had with the course PATFIT 4 is the basic hand signals of volleyball, because it helped me understand the game as a viewer or as an audience, and it also helped me navigate how to play the game properly. And masasabi naman po sa prof namin, si Professor Bobby, is maraming salamat po because your teachings is very commendable po. No? You are giving experiences example of the topic of or the lessons. Thank you, sir. Hi, this is Kennedy Red. I'm from BPA 2D, and one of the significant learning I had with the course PATFIT.
So, from BPA 2D?
From BPA 2D.
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 BPA 2D.
Shout kayo.
Hello,